We are a little less than a year away from the crucial elections in the state of Tamil Nadu. Of the 5 major southern states, the NDA, which is currently in power only in Andhra Pradesh, and the NDA, which is now setting its sights on the state of Tamil Nadu in parliament as well, with Union Home Minister Amit Shah making a bold declaration. He asserted that NDA will form government in Tamil Nadu in the year 2026, and he further went on to say that the NDA government will be formed in 2026, which will end corruption and liquor scams in the state. First up, here's the declaration and the announcement that was made by the Union Home Minister.
थम्बी दुराई जी चिंता कर रहे थे कि एक अलग प्रकार की आपदा आ गई है, शराब का फ्लड आया। थम्बी दुराई जी, आप इसका तो यहां रास्ता नहीं निकलता। मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं, एनडीए की सरकार बनेगी और शराब का फ्लड सूख जाएगा। 2026 तक राह देखिए आप बस। ये शराब का फ्लड और करप्शन का आंधी दोनों रुक जाने वाला है।
Now, in fact, the AIADMK General Secretary Palnisamy met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi, and sources suggest that in the build-up to the elections coming up in the state, the BJP High Command has been constantly trying to ally once again with the AIADMK to defeat the DMK in the state. Meanwhile, top sources also suggest that the AIADMK seems to be hesitant to return to the alliance, mainly because the NDA currently has O Paneerselvam and AMMK party led by TTV Dinakaran as part of the alliance, and these are the same people whom the AIADMK had terminated from their party. Sources say that the Union Home Minister has stated that they do not have to align with them, only with the BJP that will allocate seats to them from their share that they will get from the alliance and make them stand in the BJP symbol and not their own symbol, which would make it clear that the AIADMK is only aligning with the BJP and not with the evicted leaders. Now, taking note of this meeting, the DMK says that the AIADMK's sole intention of allying with the BJP is to escape the clutches of the ED, CBI, income tax departments.
See, the ADMK was actually never out of alliance with the BJP. On all the important issues, whether it be delimitation, whether this imposition of Hindi, and ADMK party had kept a very studious silence. We all know the reasons, because the ADMK's second-line leaders and the top command is afraid of the corruption charges against them. The very fact that the Enforcement Directorate has thought not fit to even summon them, all those serious allegations of corruption running into thousands of crores, clearly establishes that they are at the mercy of the BJP and they are very afraid of the BJP.
Varshni is joining us right now. Varshni, good morning. There was a bit of fallout last that had happened between the BJP and the AIADMK. What are the chances now looking like with the upcoming elections in the state of Tamil Nadu?
Well, absolutely, yes. In 2023, the AIADMK and the BJP alliance split ways, and they also claimed that this is because the BJP state leadership, Annamalai, was not very convincing. He was very disrespectful, is what they had stated. But now, since there is very less time for the 2026 state assembly elections to happen, both the BJP and the AIADMK have been, discussing about what kind of an alliance that could be made out of this that could benefit both these parties, because you mentioned, it is also about these evicted leaders like O Paneerselvam, TTV Dinakaran, BK Shashikala, all of these people who are in the NDA alliance right now, and the AIADMK cannot afford to align their names with these names, because they are all terminated and they cannot take them back into the party. And what we are also seeing right now is that a 2-hour meeting happened with the AIADMK senior leaders and Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi last night, which also gives us a hint of about this possible alliance that can come up, because we are given to understand that the BJP High Command, particularly Home Minister Amit Shah, is very keen on creating an extremely grand alliance
to be seen if it will be made official with the comeback of the AIADMK within the NDA fold. Thank you very much for the moment, Varshni, for joining in.